YouTube, what's going on? As you guys know, I am TrueTriz. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can actually install the 0.16.0 add-ons for Minecraft Pocket Edition. I've been getting a lot of questions on how to actually do this, and it's super simple, and if you guys just follow this nice tutorial, then I'm sure you guys will be able to do it in no time. So anyways, before we get to the video, make sure you guys go ahead and drop, I don't know, maybe like 1,000 or 2,000 likes on this video. If you guys do so, then of course I will go ahead and I'll make a huge folder so you guys can install it on this video of all of my favorite add-ons, maybe like the top 50 add-ons of my choice. Maybe I'm not sure how I'll actually do that, but let me know, guys, if this is something you guys would be interested into, me like putting down every single add-on that I love to put into my MCPE files, and that's something I can definitely do to you guys. But anyways, get into it. So of course, if I actually go back and I go back to the menu, add-ons are very important because add-ons actually work like a normal texture pack. So global textures, you guys can actually see they're actually a pack just like this, Friendly Creeper. And if you guys want to have custom texture packs, what you're gonna have to actually do is you're gonna need to have a actual download manager. The one I use is Astro. I've been using this for some time now. It's one of my favorite ones. So when you actually go ahead and you download Astro, you guys can see it actually keeps all of your storage files. Every single thing you've ever downloaded on your tablet or your phone will be on Astro. And then what you can actually do is when you download the new add-ons as like a zip folder or something like that, you can actually unzip things. So for example, I go in my download section and you actually can see everything I've ever downloaded on my tablet device. You guys can actually see I have some of my favorite add-ons right here. This is the one I will be choosing, which is the Friendly Creeper pack. So right now you guys can actually see that this Friendly Creeper pack is of course in a zip file. If you guys want to actually make it so you can unzip it, there's a couple of steps you guys are gonna have to do. But before we get to that, make sure you guys go ahead and you guys navigate your games folder. This requires you to go back into the main Astro folder, or so the main Astro like GUI, and you actually can see there's a games folder right there. So when I press games, you can see there's the com.mojang folder. Once I press that too, you can actually see there's going to be the Minecraft PE as well as the Minecraft world. This resource folder will not be here. This is the most important thing you guys need to know, and this is the most important thing that you guys need to actually do from this tutorial is make your own resource folder. So what you're gonna have to do is on the top right of Astro or whatever file manager you guys are actually using, you guys want to actually press this new folder, and then you actually want to name the folder resource and then underscore packs. Spell it exactly how it is right here, and then you're going to want to create it. I already have one because it already exists, so there's no need for me to already make it. But once you actually have that, you're going to have this folder right here, and it's going to be installed. So now all you have to do is go ahead, go back into your downloads folder, and then find out whatever download, whatever pack, whatever add-on you guys did. It's going to be a zip folder. You want to press and hold on to it, and there's going to be like these 2 pages of Astro, but it's going to be look a little bit different. You guys use a different download manager. You want to press these 2 pages, so it says cancel and paste. Then once again, you're currently copying it, so you're going to go back, you're going to find your games folder, and you're going to go on to com.mojang, go into resource packs, and then you just want to press paste right here. I already have it in here, already have it installed, but once you can see that, it's going to say once you paste it, it's going to show up like right here. It's the Friendly Creeper mob. So once again, once you actually have this, you're going to have the actual zip folders. These are all zip folders. Once you have zip folders in your actual folder, it's not gonna work. What I recommend doing actually is putting every single add-on you guys ever want to have as a zip file in your resource packs folder, simply because you can always extract it and then delete it, and then you can always navigate back to whatever add-on you guys actually want to use, and it's super convenient. So once again, I'm just going to go highlight this thing, and this is how you unzip it. So you actually want to use your Friendly Creeper add-on or whatever add-on you guys are choosing. You want to highlight the actual pack, press the 3 stars on the top right, and then you want to press extract here or regular extract. So once you actually do that, you're going to see there's another folder that actually pops up. It's not an actual zip folders is the normal folder here. You can compress it. You can check to see what textures, what models, what entities this thing has. And I'm actually going to go back now. So now we successfully installed this add-on pack. However, there's a couple things you still have to do. So once I load Minecraft back up you guys are going to be able to see I go back into settings, global textures, and then you can see there's a brand new texture pack going up. And this is not like a normal texture pack like the city or the plastic texture pack. Like, this is an actual add-on. So once I go select it, make sure it's active, then you can go ahead and you can join any world you guys really want to join. And then once you guys selected the add-on you guys want to do, once you guys do a little research on what the add-on does, you can actually go ahead and start using it into its full potential. For example, here is like the friendly creeper add-on mod, if you would say. So it's pretty cool to mess around with. So yeah, that's pretty much how you guys go ahead and do it. I know another question that a lot of you guys might have, of course, is how do you guys like change, how do you guys work the add-ons? It takes a little bit more detail. I might go ahead and make some more tutorials on how to actually do that, but I'm going to go ahead and go back into my games folder and back into the com.mojang folder, my resource packs, back into the friendly creeper one, and then you can change your entities by going into the JSON file. I'm going to go right in here, do the 3 stars, and then go as open as a text file, and then just once. This is a little bit more detail, and not a lot of you guys might understand it. It's a little bit of coding. If you guys don't understand coding, I recommend maybe taking like an HTML class at least and learn how to code, because it takes a little bit of time to do this. It's pretty easy though, regardless, and I'm sure if I can make some tutorials for you guys on how to actually navigate and change some of the add-on stuff, I can definitely do that for you guys. But for this tutorial in its own, I'm only going to be showcasing to you guys how you can actually install it. So you can go ahead and like change different interactions, different priorities, different like tracking systems, stuff like that, which makes it a little bit more fun to use these add-ons. So that's another tutorial for you guys. I mean, once again too, if you guys want to go into the textures, and then you can go on like the creeper and you can change how the creeper looks. This is how he's actually looking right now. So I'm gonna go with just once and open it up. So this is how the creeper actually looks. This is how the friendly creeper looks. You can go ahead and get like an image editor, and then you can quick edit the image if you guys really want to as well. But that's another tutorial for you guys too, for me to showcase to you guys. But overall, it's pretty basic, pretty simple, and you can do a lot with this stuff. And obviously, I'm using the friendly creeper one. I can showcase some other ones too, so I'll quick go ahead and delete it. And this is why I like to keep the zip folders in here, because if you guys delete the folder, you still have the zip folder in here. So whenever I want to actually use the friendly creeper again, I can go ahead and quick go extract here, and then voila, my friendly creeper is actually right exactly where I want it to be. So I can go ahead and delete this guy once again and not have to worry about ever like losing it for life. Some of the things I think a lot of you guys might want to check out too is some of the packs themselves. I know it's kind of weird because we're in like such a weird type of update where we can actually go ahead and we can play with these add-ons and not have to use any like third-party types of apps to load like these mods, which is really cool if you guys ask me. But once again though, it's super important you guys keep up to date with the types of add-ons that they actually have, so I can always keep up to date with you guys and I can let you guys know. So once again, I just removed the friendly creeper add-ons, so now these guys are actually regular creepers again, which is kind of funny. However, I did install a new one, which is the explosive arrows. I've never tried this one out before, so hopefully it does work. And look at it, it does work actually. So if I actually shoot this arrow, it's going to explode. It's going to make a little explosive stuff. So that's pretty fun. I mean, you can mess around with different add-ons with different types of worlds. One thing too, I know they mentioned it. I was at E3 when they invited me out to California to check out the new add-on stuff. One thing that they did note was that they wanted to make it so if the host leader of the world had an add-on, it would load up for everyone. Granted, in the beta, we have not seen that because we can't play online yet. But I'm assuming that once we actually are able to actually use the full add-ons, that we're going to be able to actually go ahead and make like some crazy add-ons, and then we can go ahead and have the host actually the host of the world load it up, and then everyone spawns on the world with the type of add-on, and we don't have to worry about any mixture and mastering types of like people using different types of add-ons for different types of scenarios. So that's kind of interesting and something we could definitely look forward to. I wonder how it's going to work out with texture packs too. And by the way too, if you guys were wondering how you guys were able to install texture packs, this is exactly how it works too. This is the same exact tutorial on how to get texture packs to work. However, it's just a little bit more detailed now because we have a little more intimidating word, such as like the coding with the add-ons and stuff like that. So there's really nothing too worry about with this whole new add-on stuff. Personally, I think it's a little bit easy once you guys get a little practice in of it. I mean, it takes a little bit of time, but once you guys go ahead and get used to the whole process, it's going to come really, really simple and really, really easy for you guys. Once you get into this add-on thing, should be working for iOS users once the update is fully out. Granted, it's going to be a different type of like file manager, and I'm going to be kind of interested. I'll probably do more tutorials on the iOS devices, because I know a lot of you guys do in fact use iOS devices in order to play MCPE, so it'll be kind of interesting to see how that actually works out. But anyways, my name is TrueTriz. I hope you guys did enjoy today's little tutorial. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys go ahead and smack the like button, subscribe if you guys are new around here, and we'll catch you guys in another MCPE video. Until next time, have an awesome day, and remember, stay true. Peace. Make sure to subscribe if you guys have not already, and hit the little gear button to turn on notifications. Once you guys do that, you guys will be alerted every single time I upload. Have an awesome day. Stay true. Peace.